say adia no ye kan ye no in a reasonable person's mind do you genuinely think say your mama suru your mama on national security BNI police military born obai wo so obi te landing yes me ku your mama suru ladina suru mo ye joke e da ba ne ye ya memo tantantan more fire
abusuya Okatakyie Afrifa e dia ba be hwim asi amamu we de e tan kra na so obi te London na so wotrete mahama Fante Comedy de osimu se ne kwa akwachi no sanse ono no na platform moma yanko de yankoti Okatakyie Afrifa na ensem ode aba no ano odin
crime who is the principal eye nipa everywhere no Jollof was a one on the area no. Na dey o jollof no I Fante Comedy never know by. Unless o say you can read this section 74 and 75. The omo buy no. You read the police no release no answer. Na you we are section 74 and 75 of Criminal and Other Offences Act. Ni anhwe de eka. Na fe we are elements of the crime. Ni arrested dem ye from bra kwam. And am in legal department. Fire them. Now you read or say these operations, which have been ongoing for several weeks, have led to the significant retrieval of substantial debe. Now that zoom point 4 na me reading. In a related development, 3 other persons, so 3 other persons in here, Fante Comedy near 3 other persons, Prince Ofori, Yagira Abiu, and Emmanuel Kwache are in the custody of the police, assisting. So the word assisting police, when you say assistant, why are we so fixated with this idea of even when Nipan were police custody, the handcuff going inside with police custody? What is wrong with you people? The use of handcuffs primarily is to prevent a nipana but if the person is of no threat to you, what is this idea of Obia must go into handcuffs? More fire. It's more of fire so more assisted. Maybe obey assisted with you. That means Nipan Baba be a principal state witness. Then we are the Fante Comedy who handcuffs once and obey witness. After Fante Comedy and Wabani at Chomono. Let's state on record say you want to make it a state. Oh, we are your crown. Or Jitum said no was our platform this to be. And your kind. Yentia video Fante Comedy by ye. I war patch also. Sadia Nessie, no. Danny boss video Nanaka over born earlier.
Name is ye host 2 life be our TikTok. Now obi ba so be kire na adwen. Asema ni panika ye no entwa ye. But okasa wie no me share ni say asemo a waka na ho de ontwen san. Ama ni pa no atwen ho san ye. Yes screen recording no. Baby a me ka so ontwen san baby a ni pa no twen san ye no. E ho no ni pa no am post one count. Enti ye ka bibi na nko ya ya pamocho mo fanche me ai mi ka bibi na anya me da me na me host ye mo fanche me mo fa ne se mo ba e na mane agu mo nan so mo ba pepa mo ntwa
so obi o kase bibi ye crime. Yes, there are 2 elements to crime. Adiana wo ye no. And the state of your mind are the ye. So actus reus and the intent behind the ye be we yes, a menstrual. Okay. There is a quote from I think Lord Denny. Or see a person should not be just jailed for the sale of jailing just because he did something which the society prohibits. But the mind must be guilty as well. So nipa no ya dia. Enya dia na wa ye no. Nemo na adwene must be guilty. You must be able to demonstrate indeed nana adwene mu no opeso odi bone and sana wo de ayi menstrual ni actus rules ne ba waka say ni nipa no opeso wo ye etiyen ko read section 74 75 wo mo ye police for ne say threat of death section 75 of act 29 and a threat of death one say ye read ni entie 74 say a person who threatens any other person with unlawful harm with intent COVID. So and you will threaten keke. There is a case was say Savage versus Tubaville. Savage versus Tubaville. Well, then Saka need to say was if this was an assisted time, you would have seen. So although no than Saka and sort or ye be near there. Now so be an anoka say if this was so the intent is that say a yananoa that means Sabre Ojina Heno. Although the buofu but on yet because you so intent is very much required to be able to establish culpability of a crime. After yet one year can say so Fante Comedy no say no you cannot lay culpability at his doorstep for this crime because you're on the crime. You no free or see a person who threatens any other person with unlawful harm with intent to put that person in fear of unlawful harm commits a misdemeanor. So say who will be now what gonna say you commit a misdemeanor. Now you read the threat of death. Maybe a police for the or see a person who threatens any other person with death with intent. And the thing I threatens a woman you make simple. Ordinarily, your friend be inchoate offenses, incomplete offenses. And no say who any panic say make so you nina crime nina the same. And the thing I say one you dear ukokuno and now nina punishment near the same dia. And the kokuni prekwe. Now so be an intent and it's opposite okuno. And what person who run by Marana some person who run. It Imran say when you threaten somebody say say the intent is to put fear in that person. You commit a first second degree felony. After you say jollof no koka de be. Jollof no koka say your mama de men kunu a be kunu ni atwa lodinati. Now kodu mmeranimu elements of a crime. You must be able to demonstrate say ampa your mahama lodina osuro. And yanko in the case of Arena Atkinson, yanko radie. Court ni cancel. It you could do court when you reading kwa. If say when you are the element of the crime. Ni aditi court no be my definition. See a case threat to krana ye de badia. So the definition of the court when it comes to threat in the case of Arena Atkinson is what we will stand here. Court you should be a friend objective a man's test. Say adiano e kan ye no in a reasonable person's mind do you genuinely think say your mama suru your mama on national security BNI police military born obai wo so obi te landing as me ku your mama suru ladina suru mo ye joke edaba ni ya memo tantantan you must be able to demonstrate say indeed your mama was afraid for his life. You must be able to demonstrate. The critical and the crucial question is that is Lordina Mahama and your mama afraid for their life? If no political gimmick and wanting to throw the people and say Mumuna ye dear home me and say Flungua. Adi Braba. Your mama so because we beat your soldier. Eka so bekuno. And they say woman no a yama tell the enko remra yenyina yenyina esuru. And so what me de aye woman sika e bossa because yampani say ho ban na so obi aka say yenkonko tie dia akwa we ka fa say santehene ne ayemfo aka ye ho ade ba na moye ne sa so kufado de wo teteni nkosesempa money even the skin to entertain 1/4 of the nonsense you guys did ade ba no Danny project how na Atkinson na ye ready ni anhwe de court no kan court no kan say usuru your mama so usuru etu kwabena tu ampa say your mama usuru si ebeku no kobi lordina usuru obi o tre land you say hey Edien no Eurodo rada na momi aso nkwa didie ni adwene ho ne ade ewe no ma height we na abeye gugu fa ni ade nsem no rambo for ni aja gudie you na memo ni akekere no na nkokosi brat Dani wo me yakase fa ma tele video ba wo chedo do na afi fa o se de medum nija eja na bedum ache se nya bo yenya no yenkonko tie nsem funu a ayama tele yi kan ye efa eye ayi ho yenti.
And tonight I'm going to be straightforward with Otumfuo Yana Bonofo hene eye awonafo hene kese eye ahemfo akese amwo Ghana miankasa mofa Nana Kwesata the central region hene kese Sehwiaman Bonofo hene and western region mo ahemfo na motena Ghana mo ye di masaka we koso no. We swear to God, if things tweet ananyoma Dania, we will take you people down first. Mo ahemfo na mo Ghana no. All you the chiefs power bar mona manfo be butu wanim eje nshira mona musimu wotumi no se bibi jeke. All of you, we will take your heads off. Because you people see what is happening. Majority of you guys are older than Ghana. You know what is happening is wrong. Majority of you guys want to live a country that is messed up. Because you people have nothing to lose. We are saying it here tonight. We are beginning to see that majority of you people who are calling yourself kings in Ghana and big chiefs, it is deliberate. You want Jane Mensah and Akufo-Addo, your MPP, to destroy this nation. Say, King, we will make sure all of you, your palaces are bent to the ground. And you people too are bent to the ground. Because me, Mama Busu, anyway.
Hey, Obi, Asiasama Yetina, who Akufo-Addo pensioned for 8 years. Bend their palaces to the ground and bend them to the. But for me, MPP ne pen omo tsan kwase semu more na na mo pe will be also one makwa ma munini bo asem sa eti angu kwasi brat wo se dia bayi moza bo angu kwasi brat na fe yanka angu kwasi brat se ayi hontom ke kan kwase semu me aso kwa did you yanchichire mine threat of death President Mama no way you must be able to demonstrate the eminence of that threat.
Exactly so
the eminence nipa what here soldier baby say President Mama nibe kuno and you indeed think your mama is afraid for his life mo ye joke to mo dia memo dia agro dia be no dia ba sa fire them yenti ango si brat
e wa TikTok na obi ba so be kire na
be dani wo body friend ayi bo angu kwasi brat dia be no Obi akudi ne doso do your mama so be reset so one would have expected that this kind of and your man who and the political division ba yenti ango si brat yenti no.
It doesn't even matter if the person being threatened is not the president. I think a serious example of these people. Foolishness. I mean, just take a video and video yourself threatening to kill the president and put his body in a cocoa sack and throw him away and behead his wife. What? Who would tolerate this? In whose country would this be tolerated? I think we should make a very serious example of these people.
We must make a serious example of Yehunto.
Exactly.
We must make a serious example of your social media. Now, example, maybe I see a study free. What? More fire. Your mama, you now promise a month for. You promise them that you're going to bring
2024. Your mother said, "On the baby will Akufo-Addo. On the don't tell me. No, don't Akufo-Addo. Okatakyie Afrifa, you are. Okay, Aduku. Daddy must have. Go. With your own.